In today's lesson, we'll be multiplying and dividing integers using an algorithm, meeting requirements for TEKS 6.3d. You may remember, integers are all of the whole numbers and their opposites. So whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and their opposites, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. An algorithm is a process or set of rules used to solve problems. The algorithm we'll use has two steps. Step 1 says identify the signs. So if I'm multiplying or if I'm dividing, the first step is for me to check the signs of the integers in my problem. For example, you can see here, +2, -3. These signs are different. Or -8 and -2. These signs are the same. This is step 1. Step 2 in our algorithm says to multiply or divide normally. So if I had 2 times -3, my first step was to check the signs, and I noticed they're different. So my solution is going to be negative. Step 2 says multiply as I always have. 2 times 3 is 6. I'm done. 2 times -3 is -6. The same would be true when I'm dividing. When I had -8 divided by -2, step 1 told me, oh, I have two negatives, the same signs, so my solution will be positive. Step 2 tells me to divide as I always have. Divide is normal. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, -8 divided by -2 is +4. So let's try a few examples. 6 times -3. Step 1 says, are the signs the same or different? We see positive, we see negative. They're different. That means the solution will be negative. Step 2 says multiply as normal. So what is 6 times 3? Well, that's 18. So our solution is -18. 6 times 3 is 18. The signs are different, therefore our solution is negative. 6 times -3 is -18. What if I had -4 times -5? Step 1 says, are the signs the same or different? We see here a negative and a negative. They're the same. That means my solution will be positive. Step 2 says multiply as normal. So what is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. My solution is positive since the signs were the same. So -4 times -5 is +20. Let's try one more multiplying example. What if I had -7 times 3? Step 1 says check the signs. Are they the same or different? I see a negative and a positive. That means they're different. My solution will be negative. Step 2 says multiply as normal. What is 7 times 3? 7 times 3 is 21. But since the signs were different, I know my solution will be -21. -7 times 3 is -21. Now let's try a few examples with dividing. How about 12 divided by negative 3. Step 1. Are the signs the same or different? I see positive 12. I see negative 3. They're different. Therefore, my solution will be negative. Step 2. Divide as normal. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 should be 4, because I think I can make 4 groups of 3 out of 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. I have no remainder. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And since the signs were different, my solution is negative 4. 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. How about negative 16 divided by negative 4? Once again, step 1 says check the signs. I see a negative and a negative. When the signs are the same, my solution is positive. Step 2 says divide as normal. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4. I believe I can make 4 groups of 4 from 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. I have no remainder. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And since the signs were the same, my solution is positive. Negative 16 divided by negative 4 is positive 4. How about one last example? What about negative 42 divided by 7? Negative 42 divided by 7. Step 1 says check the signs. I see I have a negative and a positive. When the signs are different, the solution will be negative. Step 2 says divide as normal. 42 divided by 7. 42 divided by 7. I believe I can make 6 groups of 7 or subtract 7 6 times from 42. 7 times 6 is 42, and 42 minus 42 is 0. Negative 42 divided by 7 is negative 6. So let's wrap up this lesson. When we're multiplying or dividing integers using an algorithm, we use a 2-step process. Step 1 says identify the signs. If they're different, your solution will be negative. If they're the same, your solution will be positive. Step 2 says multiply or divide as normal, as you always have. Simply remembering to make your solution negative if you had different signs and your solution positive if you had the same signs.